For a grading system, we need to print the grades according to the marks. According to these marks, we can use the if-else according to the grade received. We'll say if marks are greater than 90, that is the first condition, we need to print the grade A. So we'll console log A in this case. Else, if the marks are greater than 80, which will fall under this category when the marks are not greater than 90. We'll fall under this condition only when the marks are greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90, because when marks are greater than 90, our first condition will satisfy. Now, if the marks are greater than 70 but less than or equal to 80, we'll fall under this else if, and here we'll need to print the grade C. If the marks are greater than 40 but less than or equal to 70, we'll need to print pass. So here we'll console log pass. Now, the only remaining condition is that we need to print F when the marks are less than 40. All of these conditions, if they are not satisfied, then we need to print F. So we'll just write an else case and console log F in this case. Let's define our marks variable and now print it for different values. Let's say marks equals to 95. In this case, we should fall under the first if and A is printed. Now, for marks is equal to 90, our first case is not satisfied and the second case is checked, and the second case is satisfied, so B is printed. Now, for marks equals to 75, the third case is satisfied and C is printed. Let's try for another value and give it 55. Now, pass will be printed because none of the above three conditions satisfy. For marks equals to 5, none of the conditions satisfy and we'll just print an F.